Looking for the best mini ITX cases of 2025? Whether you need high airflow, compact design, or premium aesthetics, these top picks deliver exceptional performance for small form factor PC builds. The Fractal Design Era 2 is a sleek and modern mini ITX case, featuring a premium aluminum exterior with a midnight blue finish. Designed for compact builds, it supports SFX power supplies and up to 240mm AIO cooling, ensuring efficient thermal management. Its tool-free panels allow for easy access, making it ideal for users who prioritize aesthetics and convenience. The ventilation system is optimized for airflow, preventing overheating while maintaining a minimalist, elegant look. The SilverStone Sugo is a versatile mini ITX cube chassis, supporting 3-slot full-length GPUs and ATX power supplies. With 4 removable panels, users can customize airflow and component placement. It accommodates 240mm AIO cooling, ensuring optimal thermal performance for high-end builds. The modular interior layout allows for flexible hardware configurations, making it perfect for gamers and professionals who need powerful components in a compact space. The Fractal Design Torrent Black is an airflow-focused ATX mid-tower, featuring a light tint-tempered glass side panel and an open grille design. It includes 2 180mm PWM fans and 3 140mm fans, ensuring exceptional cooling performance. With USB Type-C connectivity and spacious interior, it's perfect for high-performance gaming setups. The high airflow design maximizes cooling efficiency, making it ideal for overclocking and high-power builds. The Corsair ICUE 2000D RGB Airflow is a mini ITX case with steel mesh panels, designed for maximum ventilation. It supports 3-slot GPUs and includes 3 AF120 RGB slim fans, providing efficient cooling with customizable lighting effects. The ICUE Lighting Node Core Controller allows users to sync RGB effects across components, making it ideal for RGB enthusiasts. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for small gaming setups, while the optimized airflow ensures stable performance even under heavy loads. The Streacom ST-DA2V2B is a small form factor mini ITX case, featuring a minimalist design with aluminum construction. It supports flexible component placement, allowing users to adjust internal brackets for optimal airflow and hardware compatibility. With compact dimensions and premium build quality, it's perfect for users who want a clean and efficient setup. The tool-free design and modular layout make it one of the easiest cases to build in, ensuring a hassle-free experience for PC builders. Whether you need high airflow, compact design, or premium aesthetics, these mini ITX cases offer top-tier features for every builder. Choosing the right one can enhance your PC's performance and style, so check the description for pricing and make sure you get the best fit for your setup.